Hey, what's up everybody? It's Deezy, back with another review video. This is gonna be a quick, to the point review. I picked up this FX Mini pocket drone. This is the second one. I thought the first one just might have been a mistake. Thought it was bad, bad egg. So I took it back and I got another one. This is the FX Mini. It's supposed to have headless mode, it's supposed to do 360 flips. It's got a gyro in it. It fits in the controller. The controller's cool. Cool as crap. I'll get on that. That's cool. But it's supposed to have altitude hold, all that stuff. Do not buy the FX Mini pocket drone. I took it back, got another one. The exact same thing happened. It did not fly. All it did was flip. I tried to fix the props to see if they were on the right, put different props, blah, blah, this and that. Every time I tried to fly either one of them, all they did was flip over, and it was done. So, 0 stars on the FX Pocket Mini. Do not buy the Pocket Mini. This is it right here. Do not buy this. This is no good. Waste of money. This is Deezy. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. I'm here to tell you the honest truth about what drones that I mess with. Peace out. Y'all have a good one.